Hello everybody. So this is a short video about Earth Map, a tool that enables complex analysis thanks to the use of Earth observation data, environmental and climate data. It accesses Google Earth Engine repository and processing power as well. And I will try to show the different things that you can do with this tool in this short video. So first of all, with the thing that you can start if you want to make a case study, for example, on the fires in Portugal, you would first of all select the area of interest. In this case it will be Portugal, and then the map will zoom into the country. For the boundaries you have different options as well. You have the country, the regions of Portugal, and also other districts. We will continue working on the country boundaries, and then what is the visual content that you can access is differentiated in different thematic groups. So we have, for example, climate information, here temperature, precipitation. We have as well water information or land cover information, and we will go here to the fire information, and we will show the layer of burned areas per yearly fires. We will show the layer, and then one legend will pop up in which we can select a date range. Here we will select 2019, and then in red you will see the fires in this year. What you can, if you zoom, you can see it better, and then what you can also access is the information about this layer. In this case it's information coming from the MODI satellite, and here you have more information that you can access, and the source of the data that we're showing in Earth Map. If you play with the legend, you can select different available years, and here if we show 2019, we will see that there were many fires, many hectares burned in the center of Portugal. As far as I know as well, in 2003 there were many fires in the center and in the south as well. So what we could show is we could calculate some statistics on the fires, and we could select here the burned area per year, and then we can select annual, for example, and then you will see that we have two peaks of burned areas in 2003 and in 2017, where more than 520,000 hectares were burned in Portugal, in the whole country. Here you can see the information about the statistics as well. Here we have MODIs again. You can export the data in image or CSV, and you can maximize the chart to have a better visualization of the different areas and the peaks of fire. What you can show as well is from the statistics, you can also show the monthly time series, and then you will have again this information being generated, and you will have a chart that here it's not very good visualized, but if you maximize it, you see that especially here in this month's time frame, there was a lot of, in this month, October 2017, we have a lot of burned areas. We have many hectares of burned areas. Exactly here, maybe here we can see it better. Exactly 2,088 hectares burned, 2,088,000 hectares burned in October 2017. So it was in this year, in this month, in October, where the fires happen. What you can do as well, you can combine the information on fires with information on land cover. So one of the things that you can do is to show the land cover map generated by European Space Agency, showing land cover from 1992 to 2015. Here you can again select the different years, but we will let 2015. So here what we could do is to put the burned areas first, so that we can see here, for example, here in the center, if we put the regions, we will see that most of the fires happen. If we go to the 2017 fires, you will see that a lot of fires happen in the region of Coimbra. So another, and then what you can do here in the legend, you can put opacity, you can put some opacity, so that here on the burned area you use this tool in order to see what kind of land use was burned. This green area is probably a forest, so then you can see that forest were the land cover that was burned most was forest. And the last thing that I want to show is you can generate some climate water deficit data for Coimbra, for this region. The climate the water deficit data, if you go to information, how they calculate it is explained as well. Monthly time series, no, annual is better. You can see that in 2017 the deficit was high. It's function that also had an influence on the fires. Precipitation, you could calculate as well for this area in Coimbra. If you process information on precipitation, you will see that in 2017 there was less precipitation than there was a very little precipitation in comparison to 2018 and 2016, for example. So here you can combine the different climate and natural environmental information in order to assess some the interactions between factors. So the result will be that this is a tool that combines spatial information, and this spatial information interacts with statistical information on the fly that are generated thanks to Google Earth Engine. I hope this video helped, and good luck with your work with Earth Map. See you.